Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
2 star DDX12s on a cab 22 at 1 ohm.
Nice. So could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Alright, Curtis Harris. It's 2 DDX12s, D4s, wired at 1 ohm on a cab 22 with a XS power D3100 in the back. All 1 aught, 0 gauge, 320 amp, high output Auto-Tech alternator. Got scarred tweeters in each door, DS18 tweets.
Good. Did you, who built the box?
A buddy of mine down in Florida named River Law.
Okay.
It's 4.5Q, tuned to 33 hertz.
Alright, nice. Have you done any kind of box placement testing to see what was louder? Is there a reason you have it where it's located, or?
We played around with it a little bit. At first I had them facing in the cabin, and I flipped them around and it's a little bit louder.
Okay, awesome.
And I'm testing it out, see if
yes, sir.
it's a little closer to
I was curious if you did have them facing forward. Sweet,
I
man.
did.
Awesome. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Sweet.
Good little country here.
Perfect. nice, man.
Yep.
And you said, what frequency do you play down to? What was that song? You know,
that was 34.
34, okay.
I got, let's see. I got one in here that,
So mid-30s, it does really good.
oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Space knob, all right.
There's 21 to 46, I think.
Okay. Very nice. Dude, it does get low too.
Yeah.
I appreciate the demo, man.
Not a problem, man. You might have actually finally caught
Yes,
you.
sir. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet
What
you,
was your
too.
name again?
Curtis Harris.
Curtis. Thanks, Curtis, man. You have a good day. Appreciate the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.